2025 Honda CR-V. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.